All right, ladies and gentlemen, of course, this is the third edition of Onagi Show, and this is Onagi Show TV.
Okay, my name is Damaris Oyoge. The show was okay. It was nice. Actually, I really enjoyed the show. I see the show going to the next level, and it's gonna be big. Yeah.
I'm Leah Sagimo. Oh, the show has been so amazing. We have enjoyed ourselves, and I think it is going far. From first episode, second episode, and now we are at third episode. There is improvement each and every time. It is improving. I think it is going far. We have enjoyed. Yeah.
Masi Kidiwa. This is my first time coming here. Well, I think we are heading kwa ile time ya Churchill, because iko at least tumepata mahali penye sisi tunaweza rely kama Onagi, kama Wajaluo pia, na tujibambe na tutoe jokes zetu na tufeel at home. So next time tutakuja tukiwa 4, 5, 6 lazima.
Yeah, Ndogo Junior, how are you feeling?
Good. Nimefurahia sana. Yeah, nimefurahia kabisa.
Mimi naitwa Richie Maviv pale TikTok na sisi ni team Sim Kenya. This is my first time for attending the show and I'm extremely happy. Yeah, there is much improvements compared to the last show.
But it was amazing because I'm not a Luo, but I'm here. I'm so excited.
Were you enjoying the Luo jokes or are you getting the Luo jokes?
I was just enjoying. They were funny naturally. Yeah.
So imekufa yenyewe. So nimepata kama ina garagara inataka kuanguka, isa itaseka na magonjwa. Sasa nimefinya tu kidogo na so ikakufa.
Imekuwa sambamba. Unajua Onagi Show vile inaenda ndio vile ina grow. Ikienda leo ina grow, kesho ina grow. Hivyo tumebambika sana. Yes.
Imekuwa tu poa. Kwangu vimekuwa tu poa sasa lakini naona tu show yote imekuwa tu poa. Yeah.
Show imepigwa, mazeni kitu kali. Kali sana.
Mimi naitwa Caroline Ochieng, Dr. Shem Rakeo Dental Clinic. Show leo imekuwa chonjo kabisa. At least unajua sasa unaweza kuwa tu na vitu zingine unaanza tu kwa akili, lakini unasema ile show nikienda at least akili itakuwa sawa. Hata ya Kisumu tutakuwa pamoja.
Imekuwa sawa kabisa. Imekuwa vizuri. Watu wamefurahia sana. Nimeenjoy sana.
It was awesome. Nimefeel vizuri sana. More comedians, more laughters. Anyero, mawinjo maber kabisa. Being my birthday, I feel so loved and happy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm very honored to be among the participants of the third edition of Onagi Show. Yeah, we're looking at a greater future. We are looking at conquering the comedy world in Kenya and beyond. Yeah, right now we are trying to reach out to many more, and we are trying to support the comedy world. We are trying to support from Simi Kenya to other people, so that we end up with people who are in creative arts and are doing better in this world. Yeah.
One of the partners, Labda, what do you have to say to our fans for Onagi Show?
The fans should look at a greater future. The future is bright. If you look at the trajectory that Onagi Show has taken from the first episode, the second, and now the Dala edition, which is coming up in Kisumu, it can only get bigger. You have no option. If you want to look big, you have to join Onagi Show. If you are outside, you are going to become smaller.
Show ya leo imekuwa mzuri kabisa, nimefurahia. This is the first time nimekuja na for sure nimefurahia. I think next time nitakuwa nafuatilia. Next time lazima nije. Kwa majina naitwa Duncan Dede, lakini jina yangu ya comedy ni Macho.
Wewe ni comedian?
Mimi ni comedian.
Hebu chekesha mashabiki wa Onagi Show ambao na watch kwa YouTube channel.
Aeru Onagi. Ero kamano.
Tumefurahia kukuja hapa hivi Onagi Show. We have enjoyed the great show and we are planning that when we have that unity as Onagi Show, we are going to move very far. So what I can urge all Luo nation that we come, we unite ourselves and tukue na ile upendo na tusaidiane kwa hiki tumeanza. Through Simi, I believe we are going to be far.
I'm Abigail. Imekuwa poa. Actually, it was more interesting. Actually, I appreciate for coming. Yeah, I wasn't bored. Nimecheka vizuri.
My name is Teddy Warrior. I'm also known as Son of the Nile. And I'm very happy and proud to be here today because the more we go deeper into our roots, the more we go deeper into ourselves, and the more we can create for our country, county, and continent. So I'm very proud of this Onagi show. May it prosper and may we grow it to be a great platform for Africa. Africa is talking. Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Thank you. May God bless you.
How was the show today?
I enjoyed the show a lot. I was happy to meet Dr. Shem, who is a dentist in Kisumu, and that he had, yes, I was very happy that my friend Dr. Kennedy Odede, through Shofco, they brought Shofco Sacco, and people can invest as little as 500 to open an account, and if they have an investment of about 5,000, they can access the products that Shofco Sacco has. So these are the kind of developments that we need to have as a people and as a country, and I'm very proud of this emerging entrepreneurship and also the entertainment world organizing itself well.
Thank you so much.
May God bless you.
All the best.
Thank you.
I'm Jackie Diva. Okay, the show was just fantastic. I loved everything about the show, how the comedian put their stuffs. It was just fantastic.
Yes, Onagi.
Wow.
A good Onagi.
A good Onagi.
Yes, yes.
Labda show ya leo imekuwa vipi?
Show imekuwa nzuri kabisa. Nimependelea sana kuona watu wetu kutoka nyumbani wakiwa wamekuja hapa, wakakutana pamoja, tuka exchange ideas through comedy.
Naitwa Kotho Pio. Ujumbe kuu yenye ningependa kuambia mashabiki wa Onagi show, just as the theme of Onagi show says, wa more Kanyakla. There is a part there, Kanyakla, meaning unity. For some time there have been these rumors that Wajaluo wapendani hawashikani, but now we can see a new trend coming up, watu wanashikana. I would just like to preach the same message, tushikane, and Onagi show to continue preaching the same message of unity, wa more Kanyakla, wa dongre Kanyakla, wa wuth Kanyakla, everything mwatimo, wa team Kanyakla.
David Olocho wane. Yes.
David Olocho, labda show ya leo imekuwa vipi?
Show imekuwa poa. We really appreciate the talent that ina come through. Ni mzuri. It's amazing that we are able kuona how much tuko nayo really, and zenye zimekuwa zikifichika. So it's good that Simi has come up with a way that tunaweza ona hizo stuff and kuzipatia publicity zenye zinahitaji. So we just hope that tunaweza support. Personally, I'm a business person. I own a travel agency up Nairobi, and we will be very willing to support in every small or big way that we can. We are always willing kusaidia.
Yes. Show ya leo imekuwa vipi bro?
Imeweza. Personally nimeenjoy. You know, each and every show is a special on its own, and we hope that the future shows will be much better.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mashabiki ambao wanangoja Kisumu, labda what do we expect?
Kisumu dimuoch bwana. Kisumu seketore. Already hold wapo. Tomanopo kwa golo poster. So it's going to be big. We hope that each and every person who is in Kisumu, you know, the good thing is going to be Easter weekend. So people who are traveling home are sure of something that is going to entertain them. If you have been a fan of Onagi show hapa Nairobi, ukienda nyumbani, you are sure you are still going to attend it during the holiday. So it's something that is going to be there on Good Friday, that is 7th of April. Tutakuwa pale Garden, Royal City Garden, Milimani. Yeah.
Ungana mashabiki wa Onagi show.
Onagi show. Onagi show currently is the biggest comedy show we have in the from the Lakeside City, giving you performances from your favorite comedians and musicians. Each and every time we have comedians and a musician. Leo tumekuwa na wiko imeweza kabisa, comedians wameua, kila mtu ameenjoy, and of course Kisumu Dala. We are bringing you the homecoming of Onagi show. Unajua Onagi show ni mtoto ya Wajaluo, lakini alizaliwa Nairobi. So tunaipeleka nyumbani for the first time. Watu wa nyumbani waione, waikaribishe, waitunze, watupatie baraka ya kurudi Nairobi. Tukirudi Nairobi utajionea kabisa.
Thank you so much.
Sasa watu wa Kisumu, wait, Kisumu tunakuja. Tunakaa.
Sasa unajua Kisumu is the mother of Onagi show. Hapa pale itakuwa poa sana.
Tarehe 7 wote tufike pale Kisumu.
Labda Kisumu tunaenda?
Lazima. I am a supporter, I am a fan of Onagi. Wherever they'll go, I'll go with them.
So guys, tukutane Kisumu, itakuwa amazing sana. Bye bye guys. I love you.